How's it going, everybody? I'm Ben with Blue Marlin Marketing, and today I'm going to be bringing you another make automation. So we're going to be using Dumpling AI, which we'll be using to get transcripts from YouTube videos. We're using YouTube to obviously find the videos. Google Sheets as well will just be storing information, and then potential use cases. You could use it to generate like Instagram, LinkedIn, X, Facebook. Or just like other ideas for post. Lots of other things also. You could use it for like blog post or like community post or something along those lines. It's just a cool thing that you can be able to like integrate into your business, I guess. Um, all the make automations you see in the video will be available to download from inside our community. Our community is a Discord. The link to join it should be in the bio below. Yeah, the download for this will be in there. So anyway, let me get started. So if you remember, or if you haven't, I'll also link this video below. I showed a video creating this automation. And what happens here is we're using a Google Sheet created from, let me just show you the sheet. We enter in the video URL and a video transcript to generate an Insta caption, a LinkedIn caption, a Facebook post, and then an AI image for that. But that was just using like your own URL and your own video transcript, and that was even made easier because we were using Loom to get those things. But today I'm actually going to show you how to get like a video like a video URL like from somebody else and the transcript of their video from somebody else. Um, so the thing is, you don't need to pay for anything like in here to get this operation to actually run. Dumpling, you can do a fair amount of operations for free. I haven't gotten to the point where I need to pay for it. And then make you can use for free for a while, but you'll get to the point where if you have too many things, too many scenarios running at once, you will run into like the issue of um like you can only run two at once if you don't pay for it. I believe the first plan is like 10. That's what we have. You can run a bunch of them at once. So just a thing to watch out for. But yeah, let's keep going on with it. So then there's this make automation. So I'm going to show you how we can actually, instead of running this data from a sheet that we create with our own stuff, we could actually use, I mean, we could use our own video as well. But what we're actually going to do is use like somebody else's YouTube video to generate um, like content type posts. Like we could generate these same Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, X, and the image. So let me just go through like what this is exactly. So Google Sheets, you'll have to link your Google account, and then you'll just create like a Google Doc with whatever. I have headings. I can show you my Google Doc, or I'll show you the Google Doc I created for this. So all I do here is put in a YouTube URL, and it will return me a transcript with timestamps. We don't really need the timestamps. That's just like how dumpling works. It makes you use them. Um, but yeah, so like what we could do though is have this automation reading from that sheet, or even include this little bubble in the beginning of this automation. Instead of having watch new rows here, we would have this automation, and then we would add another one that said watch new rows or watch changes, and it would lead into this automation basically. So the next thing in here we're going to have to work with is Dumpling AI. So Dumpling AI is very simple to use. You'll have to create another connection. All you have to do is go to Dumpling AI, go to API keys, and then generate a new secret key. Super easy to do. Then you'll just copy, paste it in there. And then all you need to do is go YouTube video URL. So if you have the column titled correctly, so URL, you'll just click it. Timestamps to combine. So this is like the time you want in between the timestamps. I just did 30 because whatever. I tried making a smaller number and it like there was like a million timestamps in it. English is the language, just EN. Okay. And then all this does is updates the cell next to the transcript or next to the URL with the new video transcript. So you can see here. So I found out that using like clicking B here will cause some errors. So I've just been putting in the letter, like B is the column we want to work with. So video transcript, so B, and then we want to do the row number that we're currently at. And then here, super easy, dumpling, just gives you transcript. Boom, hit OK. And when you run this, you'll get a return like this. So let me just run it again to show you. Run once. It takes a few seconds here. Zip, zam, zoom, we're all done. You can see here, it knows the URL. Here, output. Oh, output, you can see it sees the URL. And then here it updates it. So we'll go to the transcript now. And boom, you see this one, whole transcript here. Excuse me. Yeah, so that's like a really cool, just quick way to get that transcript. I can even show you, like, you just go to YouTube, uh, just pick like any video, pause it, and you'll just literally copy this link. Boom. And simple as that, you'll paste it in here. And that's just what I did with all of these. So if we go back to the automation, we could actually, since we have 1, 2, 3, 4, I could go like this in here and just change this number to 4, which is really cool. And then run once, and it should just crank out once it's done that. You should see it update all 4 of these. It's done 2, 3, and 4. Sweet. So now it's all done doing that. So I guess like what I could show you here is now that you've got like those in here, right? You can, if I go back to show you just how this automation kind of works, all this one is doing is watching the rows on that sheet. Well, not on the sheet that I just showed you updating, but watching these rows on this sheet, so video transcript. But if it was watching this, for example, now it has the video and transcript to work with. So Insta, LinkedIn, Facebook, and these are the kind of returns that you get, at least for the prompt that I have, so pretty good. And then the image generator, we'll just put the link in for here, and you just will have to go to the link, it downloads. Yeah, and then also what we can build, which I'll be including in another video I'll be making shortly, is going to actually show, now that we've created a spreadsheet like this, that has the information, image, all that stored, actually how to take that and post it. Just a thing to note, Instagram, X, Facebook all require you to have like a professional page or business page in order to like be able to use Make to actually automate posts. But if you're just using like a personal, you could still obviously do all this to get your things, and you could just manually upload these things. Like it's just copy and paste at that point. And improving your prompt in here, your prompts, will make the quality or the type of message that you're sending out like in here actually a lot better. Yeah, and then once again, all the downloads you see in here, or all the like automations you see in here, will be available in the community to download. Also, a lot of other good resources in there, and a chance to chat with me or a lot of the other members of my team. Yeah, that's all we've got for you today. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave those in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It really helps us out. Yeah, and thank you again, everybody. Have a great rest of your day.